For second solution, displacement of the derrick, it's gonna to equal density multiplied to length multiplied to breadth multiplied to draft at 3.5 minus draft at 2 meter. Okay, why? You can notice something here so important. For example, let's to say this is our ship, and we have here, let's to say this is the water. Okay, let's to make it like this. Okay, this is the water and this is our ship. So you can notice here something so important. Right now we have this derrick, so that's meaning draft equals 3.5. So what if I remove this derrick? What gonna to happen? The draft of the ship gonna to reduce, so that's meaning our ship gonna go for up. So to calculate the displacement of the derrick, it's gonna to be 3.5 of the draft minus 2 meter of the draft. So length of density of the our water right now is 1, multiplied to the length of the ship is 16, multiplied to the breadth is 6, multiplied to 3.5 minus 2. So when we're gonna to solve this exam, or we're gonna to solve this, the displacement of derrick, it's gonna to equal 144 tons. Fine. So we have two solutions. You can choose which one is the best for you, advanced one or simple one. Okay. Let's to talk about or another thing.